Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm Jen with Slingmods.com, and today we have the EvolutionR Series axle nut cover for the Polaris Slingshot. Our EvolutionR Series axle nut cover is constructed from billet aluminum and is available in either a vibrant red or classic black finish. It covers up the unsightly rear axle nut on all Slingshot models and years for a clean and classy look. It also pairs up nicely with our matching aluminum gas cap for those of you looking to maintain a uniform look throughout the bike. The axle nut cover includes stainless steel set screws for a straightforward installation. Without further ado, allow our team to walk you through the installation process.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Use a T40 Torx wrench to remove the 3 screws holding in your factory belt guard. Add a dab of removable thread lock to each of the included set screws. Thread each set screw into the nut cover just a few turns for now. Insert the nut cover into place, making sure that it's fully seated. Use a 1.5mm Allen wrench to tighten down each of the 3 set screws, tightening each a little bit at a time until fully tightened. Reinstall your belt guard using the factory hardware.
That's all there is to it, folks. Now, if an axle nut cover seems like something you'd like to see on your sling, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.